The 2009 Land Rover LR2 HSE, powered by a 3.2-liter six-cylinder engine. With a six-speed automatic transmission with overdrive, this all-wheel drive sport utility vehicle, with fewer than 55,000 miles on the odometer, gets up to 22 miles per gallon. This Land Rover features front and rear side airbags, all-wheel drive, and hill descent control. Safety features include traction control, four-wheel ABS, and stability control. Comfort and convenience features include multi-disc CD player, parking sensors, and dual moonroofs. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.
Just say, "Show me the Carfax."